Hi, my name is Ruben Alves, I'm from Robotics Academy, and today you are going to see how to solve this question. The question is, how can I publish a OpenCv Mat as a topic and subscribe by RViz? In order to solve this question, we are going to use Robotics Academy. For that, I'm going to launch a course here just to get the ROS environment running, although you are not going to follow up the content of the course now. And if we check here this question, the user basically is trying to publish a OpenCv image on a ROS topic called trash output. So let's wait until our ROS environment loads. Okay, it's already loaded. Let me close here the instructions. Okay, in order to solve this problem, we are going to create a ROS package. So let's go catkin create package. The name of our package is going to be publisher. If we check here the code of the user, it's using the CV bridge, image transport, and sensor messages, and also ROS. So since this is a ROS package, we need the ROS CPP. We also need a standard message, as we can see here, sensor messages. We also need image transport and CV bridge. So image transport and CV bridge. Okay, let's create our publisher package. Okay, package created. Let's enter on our publisher package. We have here a source folder. Okay, here we have it, source. And in order to compile this code, let's copy it and create a file here called let's say publisher node cpp. It's here on the source folder. Let's paste the code here. Okay, here we have the code. Now let's try to compile it. In order to compile, we have to change our CMake lists. Let me change here the syntax highlight into make file. Okay, this is the CMake list. So we have to come here on this build section. After this build section, we have this add executable. We have to uncomment this line. It's going to create a file called a publisher node, and it's going to use the publisher node cpp. This one we have created here, publisher node cpp. And we also have to uncomment these target link libraries. So okay, our package is ready to be compiled. So now let's compile it. And let's run catkin make, and our package is going to be compiled. If we check here while it's compiling here, the code basically creates an image and they draw 3 circles in this image and publish on this topic. As you can see here, publish. Okay, so okay, our node is compiled. If we run ROS run, the name of our package is publisher, and we have our publisher node. Let's try to publish it here to run this node. Okay, image send. The image, this message was shown, so the message was published. The user said that is having problem to see this image in RViz. The image cannot be shown in RViz, so let's open RViz here. ROS run RViz. Okay, let's open here the graphical interface to see the RViz. In order to see the image, we have to add here a image, okay, RViz image. Let's select this and select here the topic that RViz have to subscribe. We can check here that we have this topic trajectory output is the topic we are publishing here, advertising this topic. Okay, here we can see that we are subscribing to this topic, but no message is being shown here, no image, as you can see. The problem is because when we run this code for the first time, the message was published, as we can see here, image message sent, but it was sent only once, it's not published anymore. So in order to solve this problem, we have to keep publishing until we have a node, in this case RViz, subscribed to that topic. So in order to solve this, we have to create here a while. For example, let's create ROS rate loop rate 10, it means 10 hertz, and while ROS okay. Let's put this inside our while. While we have a ROS running, we can ROS spin once, and let's wait loop rate sleep. Okay, in this case, now our message is not going to be published only once, it's being published 10 times per second. So now let's try to compile our package again, cat can make. Here we have the image is being, the RViz is still subscribed to that topic, but as we can see here on the stats, no image received. Okay, now our package was compiled. Let's try to run it again. Publisher node cannot use ROS time now. ROS time now can't be used. Why? Oh, yes, this ROS init node has to be, all of these have to be outside of the ROS. Let's put this, if it has to be outside of this while. So okay, let's try to compile it again. Cat can make. Okay, we still don't have any image here. Okay, it's compiled now. Let's try to run our node again. And now we have image send, image send. And if we check here, now we have an image. We can see the image here, and the number of messages received, 80, 94, 100. So the image is still the same, but are different images being published all the time. So as you can see, it's working. And it is working because now we are keeping publishing all the time, not only once. Image is sent. No, but if you want to publish only a few times, for example, we can check this publisher. For example, ROS info, we have to check the number of subscribers. In this case, we can call this image public get num subscribers. Here we can see if the number of subscribers is greater than 1, is greater than 0, so we could stop this while and the message would be published without any problem. So let's just compile it again to see if we have any subscriber. For example, let me close here the RViz and let's run our node. The image is being published, but we don't have any subscriber, so we have to keep it publishing. Let's say this. So if we run our RViz again, we still don't have any subscriber here because we are not subscribing to that topic yet. But we can of course subscribe, add here an image and select the topic. The topic is going to be trajectory output, this one, and now we have. And if we check here, we have now a subscriber, 1. And also to make sure it's working, not only with RViz, we can also run the RQT image view. If we run ROS run RQT image view, and go to our desktop, here we select the topic trajectory output, and here we have the image. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as we can see, the problem here is because the message was being published only once before the RViz subscribe. So if we keep publishing in a while, so it's going to be shown in RViz. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and see you!